In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Systeme.io affiliate program, where you can earn up to 50% lifetime commission. Being part of an affiliate program is a fantastic way to monetize your audience and generate a passive income stream. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to get started with Systeme.io's affiliate program. First things first, let's enter your Systeme.io account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your dashboard. This is your main hub where all the magic happens. You'll want to look for the section labeled Affiliate Dashboard. It might be tucked away in the menu, but don't worry. Take your time and click on it once you find it. Now here's a pivotal moment. If this is your first time considering the affiliate program, you'll need to officially join by accepting the terms and conditions. It's a straightforward process and you just need to click on the join button. This step is essential to unlock the potential earnings from your participation in the program. Once you've successfully joined, the Systeme.io platform will generate something quite important for you, your unique affiliate link. This link is your personalized code that ties all your efforts back to you, ensuring that anything generated from it is credited to your account. This is how you earn those commissions. Next comes the exciting part, promotion. Now that you have your unique link, the world is your oyster. You can start by integrating this link within your existing online presence. If you have a website, blog, or even employ email marketing, incorporate the link there to reel in potential interest. Social media platforms are also fantastic avenues. Consider platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where you can share engaging posts, stories, or even ad campaigns. These platforms allow you to target specific audiences who might be interested in Systeme.io's offerings. Another helpful tip is to engage your audience with valuable content related to Systeme.io. Sharing your own experiences or success stories with the product can be a compelling way to increase engagement and convert those clicks into actual sign-ups. Remember, authenticity is key. Your audience can easily tell when something resonates genuinely versus just a sales pitch. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to becoming an affiliate in the Systeme.io program, tapping into the potential of lifetime commissions with every conversion you make. It's an exciting opportunity to leverage your network and skills while generating income. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck on your affiliate journey. Be sure to check back for more tips and insider secrets on growing your online income. Have a great day.